Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out how to track cash flows using Bluevine. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get into it. Now, the first step is to log into your Bluevine dashboard. You can do that on the website, or you can do that using the Bluevine mobile app. Once you're in, navigate to the Transactions tab to view all incoming deposits and outgoing expenses. You can use the filter to separate income from expenses, giving you a quick snapshot of your cash flow. Categorize your transactions, because this helps you to identify what portion of your money is going to payrolls, bills, supplies, or revenue streams. Check your balance trends or reporting tools to see patterns over time. Bluevine highlights inflows and outflows by week or month. Export your transaction history to Excel if you want to create more detailed cash flow statements. And of course, regularly review to catch shortfalls early, as well as to adjust spendings or deposits. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.